Now, a quick little thing before I get to the final automated hack is that I wanted to show you how blooket requests work. So, if you were to open a pack, actually go to the network tab, if you were to open a pack, for example, the aquatic, it actually will send you an unlock blook thing. Actually, is that the, yeah, it'll go to the unlock blook thing with the method of put. Now, the payload does not make any sense here. This is not, it cannot be understood by humans. But actually what I've gone ahead and made is a way that you can actually decode these. So it's called blooket payload decoder, and I'll link it in the description. But if we get our values here, get values.secret, this is the secret action, sorry, await get values, await get values dot secret. Instead, if we get our secret like this, what we can actually do is go into our network, copy this, and then go back to this tab, go to the actual decrypt part, copy this, and put decode values, put in our thing, copy our thing from the network tab, and yes, it's base 64 encoded, but it's not that simple, and we put in our secret. As you can actually see, we're going to do O is await O, and look, name, and then your blooket account name in the box aquatic. So this is actually a way that we can decode the blooket request payloads. Now I'm going to go all out and create a completely automated racing hack. So I'm going to name myself, and we'll use this for debugging, which is going to be really useful. So we'll go ahead and start the game. And now we wait for the race to start, but in the final version, it won't actually matter, because we'll answer before the race starts. Sorry, let me mute this really quick. Okay, what we actually go ahead and do is we're going to define our hack. We're going to say let hack is document.query selector. Yeah, you know the drill. It's just the normal hack like this. Sorry if it takes me a second to type this. Children1.owner. Okay, now what we're actually going to do is, we're going to take the question, the correct answer. We're going to do a set interval. And we're going to call it answer, and let's say every 20 seconds. Now function answer is we're going to take this container here for the answers, called answers holder, and we're going to say let answers is going to be an array up from these children. So we're going to do answers 0.inner text just to check. Okay, this is properly configured. Yeah, that works. Now, actually, we're going to do answers 0.click. We're going to test if that works. And it doesn't. So I'm just going to put a first child here, see if that works. Yeah, that does work. So let's just say, we'll just comment that here. And the inner text will actually work. Now let's say let correct answer is going to be hack.stateNode.state.question.correct answers 0. Now answers.for each, I'll comment this out. We're going to say answer element, I'll just say AE. We're going to check console.log ae.notext is equal to the correct answer. So now, just as a test, we can press answer. Actually, yeah, we gotta press answer. And this one here, this is true. So we're gonna say if it is, yeah, if it is, if the answer in our text is the same, then we are going to do ae.firstchild.click. So now, if we copy this function, we can type answer, and it'll automatically go. So, I'm going to use this just to kind of get rid of the check mark. We're going to copy this, and we're going to say function clear check mark is, we're going to do this. So actually, before this gets too big, we're going to wrap this in an if statement to check if this thing exists, so that we're not constantly calling it. We're going to wrap this all. And that should be good. Now, we'd also do a set interval for click check. Actually, yeah, click check, also every 20. And we're going to do function click check is going to be check for this. If this exists, clear check mark. Now, if we copy this all and paste it, we should be able to go answer, click check. And we can keep doing that. But eventually, if we keep doing that, actually, I should just test it now. I'll just test it now. So I'm going to test this. And we keep going. But eventually, we come to this power up thing. So I'm going to say this right here, this dot click. Now we're going to do function do power up is that. And we're going to first check if it exists and paste it back in. So now we're also going to set interval for do power up. And if it does, actually we should wrap this. We're going to make a new line. Then we're also going to want to click the whole thing to get past it. Dot click. So now, just as a test, do power up. Does this work? Yes, this does work. Now we're also going to check for the next. And a second thing, I'm going to say if this next button exists, then we'll click this next button. And as usual, we're going to add it to the event listeners list. I mean, intervals, sorry. Now, we should actually be good. So if I rejoin the blooket game, 9588, wait, what? Okay, 9588, 9588, then we can paste this in, and we automatically go. Isn't that just magic? But you might think this is kind of slow, and this is going to be probably your favorite part of the video. Remember that set timeout manipulation from earlier? Well, watch this. Set timeout is function ft, and we're going to do f. Now, this part is going to be crazy. Watch. Literally, just watch. That's how fast we can play this game. That's how fast. With just this manipulation. And that works on almost every single game mode. I discovered it by accident when I tried to bypass the loading screen on CryptoHack, but then it made it extremely fast, and it actually worked on every single other mode too. The final thing I want to show you is how to actually package these hacks into bookmarklets, and just in case you can't use the console. So first, you're going to take all your code, and you're going to put it in a JavaScript minifier. I like this one. So you're going to minify it, and this is actually used so the semicolons and stuff where there actually needs to be, and it would fit in a bookmark. Now next, you're going to URL encode this. And you're going to copy this all. And then you're going to go onto a website. You're going to do href, well, ref is JavaScript, and you're going to paste it in. Now, is the hello world? No. Now, we have this hack, and anyone can drag this up to the bookmarks. Now, you can use the hack just by clicking on it. So if I name myself Cack with something, then I can start the game and click it. And it'll actually wait for a second, but bam, I literally just won the entire game in like 2 seconds. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me about them in the comments below, but bye!